clear from this morning, with the expertise of Professor Newton, who's really the doyen of exercise physiology research, is that there's so much that we really don't know and appreciate about the importance of many other parts of the treatment of cancer. So to see it actually being rolled out in this facility is amazing.
I was very impressed with the very tailored structure programmes that you've incorporated. I think this is one area that GenesisCare can probably influence the NHS.
I was very excited when I was invited to come on the exercise programme. I think it's an excellent idea. I really welcomed it being led by physiotherapists and everything to actually show me what exercises are safe and have it in a controlled environment. So I was delighted with it.
It was amazing. It saved my life. And I think it's the best thing that they could ever do to help so many people. It is so important, and the facilities have been second to none. Amazing.
I think it's going to be great. I already know it's great because I send patients to it already, and they come back telling me that they really enjoyed it, they rave about it, they like the exercise, and it's had nothing but positive reviews.
We've had patients here this morning, they've talked of their experiences and they've all been extremely positive, and it seems that Genesis is very much at the vanguard of rolling this out, so I'm really excited about it.
Well, being part of the pilot study here for the last 8 months, it's just had the most amazing impact on patients. They absolutely love it. They get just psychological benefits as well as the physical gains and fitness gains.
I think it's fantastic that GenesisCare are rolling out this exercise medicine program across the whole network. It's really beneficial for patients and their long-term outcomes, and I'm quite passionate to be part of it.